So the question number 1, what is the name of the humanoid robot to be launched in Gaganyaan 1? Option number B, Vyamitra is the right answer. Question number 2, statement 1, the Gaganyaan mission is exclusively for military surveillance. Statement 2, it aims to demonstrate the capability of sending humans to space and bringing them back safely. Identify the correct option. Option number B, only 2 is correct. Question number 3, why is the south pole of the moon the target for Chandrayaan and Lupex's mission? Option number B, it contains permanently shadowed regions where water ice is likely to exist. Question number 4, which mission was launched on January 1st, 2024? Option number B, ExpoSat. 5. The Lupex mission is also colloquially referred to as. Option number B, Chandrayaan 5. Question number 6. Which of the following is the propulsion module in Chandrayaan 4 responsible for? Option number B, providing the thrust to move the spacecraft from Earth's orbit to the moon. Question number 7. The Bus space station will eventually weigh approximately how much upon completion in 2035? Option number B, 52 tons. 8. Which of the following best defines L-band radar used in NISR? Option number B, it has a longer wavelength, approx 24 cm, and can penetrate dense forest canopies. Question number 9, statement 1. The Gaganyaan mission will orbit at an altitude of 400 km. Statement 2. This is roughly the same altitude as the International Space Station. Option number C, both statements are correct. Question number 10. The LVM-3 rocket used in Chandrayaan 4 will have to be launched how many times? Option number B, 2 times. 11. Which of the following is a polarimetry based study? Number B, analyzing the orientation of light waves from cosmic sources. 12. In Chandrayaan 4, the transfer module is used for. Number B, carrying the samples from lunar orbit back towards the Earth. Third, statement 1. The Gaganyaan astronauts were trained in Russia for basic space flight. Statement 2. Specialized mission specific training is being conducted in India. Correct the code. Select the correct option. Number C, both 1 and 2. 14. Aditya Elion suite instrument stand for. Number A, Solar Ultraviolet Imaging Telescope. 15. The NISR mission will primarily help in. Option number B, monitoring natural hazards like earthquakes, tsunamis, and volcanic eruptions. 16. What is the significance of the year 2040 in India's space roadmap? Number B, target for the first Indian manned landing on the moon. 17. Which of the following is the most significant benefit of space docking products? Option number D, all of the above. It allows for refueling satellites in orbit. It enables the assembly of large structures like space stations. It allows for sample return missions. 18. The Bharatiya Antariksh Station Module 1 is targeted to weigh around. Option number B, 8 tons. Question number 19, statement 1. Mangalyaan 2 is planned as a lander mission. Statement 2. India will be the first country to land on Mars in its very first attempt at landing. Evaluate the statements. Option number A, 1 is true, but second is false. 2 is false. 20. The Lupex mission's drilling goal of 1 meter is intended to. Number B, analyze the presence and form of water ice. 21. Which of the following is not a challenge for the Shukran first mission? Not a challenge. Option number D. Extremely low gravitational pull of Venus. 22. In the context of Gaganyaan mission, CES stand for option number B. Crew Escape System. 23. Consider the following about ExpoSat. It is only the second mission of its kind globally. It will study only the polarization of the sun. It was launched using PSLV C58 rocket. Which statements are correct? Option number B. 1 and 3 only. 24. What is the primary function of the VELC instrument on Aditya L1? Option number B. To image the solar corona and study its heating mechanism. 25. Statement 1. Chandrayaan 4 will require two separate LVM-3 launches. Statement 2. These modules will dock in Earth's orbit before proceeding to the moon. Identify the correct option. Option number C. Both statements are correct. 26. Which of the following best describes the Amrit Kal vision for space? A plan to colonize Mars by 2047, strategic roadmap landing to an indigenous space station by 2035, and human moon landing by 2040. A project to replace all foreign satellites in orbit with Indian ones. A mission to build a telescope larger than the James Webb. Option number B is the correct answer. A strategic roadmap leading to an indigenous space station by 2035 and human moon landing by 2040. 27. The human rating of a launch vehicle like HLVM3 implies option B. The system has higher reliability, redundancy, and a crew escape mechanism. 28. Regarding the Venus orbiter mission, why is aerobraking considered a high risk maneuver? Option number B. Because it involves using the planet's thick acidic atmosphere to slow down, risking thermal damage. 29. Which of the following payloads on ExpoSat is responsible for timing and spectroscopy of X-ray sources? Option number B. Expect. 30. In the LUPEX mission, which agency provides the H3 launch vehicle? Option number C. JAXA. 31. The SPUDX mission successfully demonstrated docking. Which of the following future mission relies most heavily on its specific technology? Option number B. Chandrayaan 4. 32. Consider the following statements about BAS and Bharatiya Antariksh Station. It will be located in low Earth orbit at an altitude of approximately 400 km. It will be built entirely by ISRO without any international components. It is expected to support 3 to 4 astronauts for extended duration. Option number B is the correct answer. 1 and 3 only. 33. What is the significance of the 12-day repeat cycle of the NISR satellite? Option number B. It provides a consistent data set to track rapid changes in Earth's crust and ecosystem. 34. The uncrewed test flight G1 is a critical precursor to the crewed mission. Which of the following is not a goal of G1? Option number C. Carrying out the first human spacewalk by Vyamitra. 35. Which of the following modules is not part of the complex 5 module system of the Chandrayaan 4? Option number C. Rover module. 36. Identify the correct pair of Gaganyaan crew members and their ranks. Option number C. Angad Pratap, Group Captain. 37. Consider the following about NISR, NASA ISRO Synthetic Aperture Radar. It will provide the first ever L-band and S-band dual frequency radar imaging from space. The mission life expected to be at least 12 years. It will observe Earth's land and ice covered surfaces with high temporal resolution. Select the correct statements. Option number B, 1 and 3 only. Alright, which technique will Shukran first use to gradually lower its orbit and study the Venusian atmosphere? Option number B, aerobraking. 39. What is the specific role of the ascender module in the Chandrayaan 4 mission? Option number B, to lift the collected lunar samples from the moon's surface into the lunar orbit. 40. Consider the following statements regarding the robot Vyamitra. It is designed to simulate human functions and monitor module parameters in Gaganyaan first. It is a full-bodied humanoid robot capable of performing extra vehicular activities. It is intended to test the life support systems before human astronauts are sent. Which statements are correct? Option number C, 1 and 3 only. 41. Why is the sample return capability being developed for Chandrayaan 4 considered a prerequisite for future missions? Option number B. It is a technological precursor for returning human crews safely from the lunar surface. 24. The Shukran first mission to Venus will face unique challenges. Which of the following is a primary technical requirements? Option B. Management of high atmospheric pressure and sulfuric acid clouds. 43. ExpoSat is India's first dedicated polarimetry mission. Which of the following is the primary scientific payload for studying X-ray polarization? Option B, Polix. Aditya L1 is equipped with the visible emission line coronagraph. What is the specific scientific advantage of its position at L1? Option B, it provides a continuous unobstructed view of the sun without eclipses. 45. Regarding the Bharatiya Antariksh Station, select the correct chronological roadmap. First, launch of the first module of BAS by 2028. Operationalization of the complete indigenous space station by 2035. First crewed landing on the moon by 2040. Option number D, 1, 2 and 3, all of the above are correct. 46. Which of the following statements accurately describe the NISR mission? Option B, it utilizes dual frequency L-band and S-band synthetic aperture radar to map the Earth's global changes. 47. Consider the following statements about the LUPEX mission. It is a joint venture between ISRO and JAXA targeting the lunar south pole. ISRO is responsible for developing of the rover while JAXA provides the lander. 3. The mission aims to demonstrate subsurface drilling up to a depth of 1 meter. Which of the statements given above are correct? B, 1 and 3 only. 48. In the context of SPADEX space docking experiment mission, which of the following technological milestone is it primarily intended to validate? Option B, the autonomous rendezvous and docking of two spacecraft in orbit. 49. The Chandrayaan 4 mission involves a high degree of technical complexity. Which of the following best describe its operational sequence? Option B, two separate LVM-3 launches to assemble a 5-module stack in space for lunar sample collection and return. 50. Regarding the Gaganyaan mission's architecture, consider the following statements. Number 1. The mission aims to place a 3-member crew in 400 km low Earth orbit. The HLVM-3 launch vehicle utilizes a crew space escape system designed to activate only during the final stage of ascent. The ECLSS is an indigenous system designed to manage the environment inside the crew module. Which of the statements given above are correct? Here option number C, 1 and 3 is the correct only. So that's all for today, and thank you so much for watching this video. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Also you can get PDF from my Telegram channel, the link in the description. Alright, keep watching, keep learning. See you in the next video. Thank you.